What's going on, guys? Welcome to my 2018 summer desk setup tour. It's been a long time since I've done one of these videos, so I figured I would do one because my setup has actually changed quite a bit in the past year or so. So yeah, let's get right into it. The desk is the IKEA Gallant desk. I picked it up from IKEA about 4 or 5 years ago. I've had it for a while. It's been a great desk though, no problems, still looks like new. It's really large, so it's got tons of space for all of the electronics that I have. It's perfect for tech geek like me. Sorry. This is the PC here. It's a custom build that let me try to get some light on there. There we go. It's a custom build that I finished with some friends a little while ago. It has the Hexa-Core i5 CPU with 16 gigabytes of DDR4 RAM at 3000 megahertz, I believe. And wow, RAM is expensive these days. The GPU is a 1060 6 gigabyte Asus GPU. I'm only doing 1080p gaming at the moment, so I didn't actually need anything super crazy, but when I upgrade my monitor, which I plan to do very soon, I'll also look into the next gen graphics cards, because I'm sure they'll be perfect for high resolution gaming. So yeah, that's kind of the plan. You can also see the Intel SSD there. Unfortunately, the logo is in fact, ooh, that's dark. Or you can see the logo is upside down and it's looking a little strange. Unfortunately, the Intel SSDs are the only SSDs that have their logo upside down in this case. But it doesn't really bug me too much. I actually think it's kind of funny. And I still think it looks super clean overall. The motherboard is the Asus, let me see if I remember it. It's the 370 Prime A, I think it is. It's kind of nice. It's got like a little bit of RGB there. Not really a huge fan of that, but whatever, it doesn't look bad. And the fans there too, got some Corsair fans as well. It's kind of hard to see because of the lighting. The thing is, when I take the lighting away, it just gets really dark and you can't see anything, so apologize for that. But yeah, it's a great PC. I really like it. It's running Windows right now. It's pretty much what I primarily use. The only time I really use Linux at this point is when I'm doing some sort of software or web development. I prefer running that on Linux or my Mac over there, which we'll get to in a moment. But yeah, the monitor, by the way, is a Samsung 24-inch, I forget. It's an IPS display. It has amazing colors. It is unfortunately only 60 hertz though, which kind of sucks, but again, I'll be upgrading a monitor soon, so that won't be too much of a problem. The peripherals, I have a Logitech G502 mouse. This is my favorite gaming mouse I've ever used, period. Just feels really nice in your hands, really ergonomically friendly, high quality, just feels like a great mouse. This is the Razer Black Widow Ultimate. I picked this up not too long ago, and it has been my daily driver for a while now. It is an amazing keyboard. It has the Cherry MX Blue switches. Super clicky, I really like them. It's actually, this is like similar to the first keyboard that I ever typed on, so it's kind of a throwback. I've owned like 50 plus keyboards since, and I just, coming back to this one, it's really nice. It's a huge throwback. This is my Xbox One controller. I have a 1S hooked up to my TV. It used to be on my desk, but I only really play Call of Duty on it, and I don't even play Call of Duty too much these days, so I just sort of moved it to my TV and I use it for Netflix. This is the lovely Blue Yeti with a pop filter and a boom arm. I did a review on this. You guys should definitely check it out if you are interested in the Blue Yeti. It's an amazing mic. Taylor Schultz actually recommended it to me, so shout out to Taylor Schultz. This is the MacBook. It is the 2017 MacBook Pro, the 13-inch version. This thing is probably my favorite thing I own. Like, I place it even above my car. It's amazing. It's running the latest Mac OS, and it looks really, really clean. They added like a dark theme to the Finder, so it just looks horny. I love it. Yeah, it's an amazing MacBook. I did a review on that as well. You guys should definitely check that out too. And there is my desk lamp, and this thing is so depressing. I think it's plugged in right now. Yeah, it is. It's plugged in. So when you turn it on and you face it up, like 7 or 8 of these lights have burnt out, so it's just, and it keeps flickering, so it just actually gives me a headache. I used to have it on when I was doing homework, and I'd actually just turn it off because it was pissing me off. I don't really use it because it's kind of broken and it's not really good, but you know, what are you gonna do, huh? So yeah, that's my setup, guys. I don't really want to spend too much time going over everything because it's pretty straightforward, but I like it. It's great. I'll keep you guys updated with any new changes that come my way, but hopefully you like it. If you did like this video, leave a like. If you didn't, leave a dislike. Let me know how I can improve, and I will see you guys in the next video, right?